Hello, I'm Susan Hogan from the Staten Island Museum, and welcome to Super Science. Have you ever seen a water strider? These are insects that hop around on the surface of ponds, lakes, and streams. These small, six-legged critters appear to walk on water. How do they do that without sinking? The answer is surface tension. Water molecules like to stick together. On the surface, where the water meets the air, water molecules cling even more tightly to each other. This causes a skin to form across the surface of the water. This skin is so strong that it can hold a weight that would normally sink into the water. Today, we are going to create our own water striders and investigate how they can walk on water by exploring surface tension. For this activity, you will need water, thin wire, and a pair of scissors. I've cut my wire into 3 equal pieces. Each of them are about 10 centimeters long. I'm going to hold them together, try to find the middle, right in the center, and then I'm going to twist it very tightly in the center to form my water strider's body. The next step is to spread out the legs of the water strider evenly. By spreading out the legs evenly, we're going to distribute the water strider's weight. Now I'm going to curve each of the water strider's legs into a long U shape. So just by using your thumb and your pointer finger, we're going to hold the center of the insect's body and curve the legs into a U shape. Like that. When you put your water strider down on a flat, solid surface, make sure it rests evenly on all 6 legs. So now you're going to get a chance to see that mine is not resting on this leg. So I'm going to adjust it. You might have to make adjustments with your water strider also. Carefully pour your water into the shallow plate. Gently place your water strider into the water and watch what happens. The water striders have the unique ability to distribute their weight onto their long legs in a way that the surface tension of the water is strong enough to hold them up. At first, it appears that the water strider is floating in the water, just like a boat. However, if you look closely, you will see that it's sitting on top of the water without actually breaking through the surface. Scientists are studying the legs of water striders in hopes of making materials that easily repel water and help objects move faster over water. Things to consider if your water strider doesn't float. Adjust the wire to distribute the weight evenly across all 6 legs. If just one leg touches the water, all of the critter's weight is concentrated on a small space and it will sink. Try this experiment while making waves or raindrops in the water. Try using a thicker wire or different materials to create your water strider. You can see that I added some beads to create eyes. Were there any changes in the outcome? Record your data and observations in a science journal or notebook. In the natural world, real water striders are covered with tiny hairs that trap air bubbles, allowing them to pop back to the surface in rough water when submerged. The next time you are outside exploring near the water's edge, look closely and you may see a water strider hop, skip, and jump across the water's surface. I hope you had fun learning about the water striders and experimenting with surface tension. Thank you for watching Super Science with the Staten Island Museum.